வடிகளை பொறிந்து நினைத்து இப்பட்டிமன்றத்தை துவங்குகின்றேன். அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Grandparents hold the special place in family, embedding wisdom and warmth. The taste of the past with a rich tapestry, offering a unique perspective on life. Grandparents are the gift given by God. They fill our life with joy and affection. Grandparents are like divine beings who effortlessly extend their love to each grandchild. From nurture love to chance advice, their presence is a cherished legacy to span a generation. They play a crucial role in passing on the cultural heritage, tradition, and family values, contributing to the continuity of a family's identity. The life experiences enhance their independent skills, foster the strong connection with family members, and promoting harmonious relationship. Respected chairman, senior principal, special principal, distinguished guests, coordinators, teachers, parents, supporting staff, friends, and the protagonists of today's program, our grandparents. I welcome you all to this insightful debate on who is better, traditional grandma or contemporary grandma. இந்த பட்டிமன்றத்துக்கு பாதை அமைத்து கொடுத்தது யார் தெரியுமா? நான் உங்கள் வீட்டு பிள்ளை, இது ஊரறிந்த உண்மை, நான் செல்லுகின்ற பாதை, பெஸ்ட் பள்ளி காட்டும் பாதை. ஆம், நான் செல்லுகின்ற பாதை, பள்ளி தலைவர் காட்டும் பாதை. Today we are gathered to explore diverse perspectives, engaging individual discourse and foster a deep understanding of the debate at the hand. உதறித் தள்ளிடும் பாரங்கள் எல்லாம் உயர்வென்னால் நீடும் வைரங்கள் தட்டப்பட்டேன். As we embark, here we have two teams with excellent eyes and working thoughts. This is Team Archie, going to speak about traditional grandma, and the team members are Aya, Akshaya, and Hannah. This is Team Granny. Speak about contemporary grandma. And team members are Rishi, Krish, and Anya. Without further ado, we dive directly into our show. Here comes amazing Aya in favor of traditional grandma.
அரடிராரோ நான் இங்கு பாட தாய் நீ கண்ணுறங்கு என்னோட மடி சாய்ந்து. அரடிராரோ நான் இங்கு பாட தாய் நீ எங்க பேர் பிள்ளைங்கள தூங்க வச்சு நடுவர்களே.
முதல்ல உங்க பிள்ளைகளை தானே தூங்க வச்சுப்பீங்க.
எஸ் சார். பட் இப்பெல்லாம் பாருங்க அதுக்கு பேரு lullaby lullaby. Instead of making the awakened child to sleep, this lullaby nowadays awakens the sleeping child.
It doesn't matter if they wake up. The cell phone is still there.
Yes, children are addicted to cell phone. Now, we may be devoted as elderly grandmas, but their hearts remain youthful and vibrant. Our desire is not merely for them to descend to sleep, but for them to form a meaningful bond, temple of the soothing embrace. Our voices filled with affection.
Wonderful.
What we do may seem as old and tacky, but even if 100 years pass, our actions will remain in their minds. என்ன நடுவர்களே, சரிதானே? Thank you.
You are making me easy for sleep by singing the lullaby and not letting me to write a judgment. Now, let us hear from our magnificent contributor grandpa. Rishi, please come. ஐயா சொல்லுங்க.
நிலா நிலா ஓடி வா, நில்லாமல் ஓடி வா, மலை மேலே ஏறி வா, மல்லிகை பூ கொண்டு வா, என்று பாட்டு பாடி சோறு ஊத்தி தூங்க வைக்கிற காலம் போயிடுச்சு. But now the time has come to feed the children at the moon. இப்ப போய் யாராவது ஆராரோ ஆரிராரோ ஆராரோ ஆரிராரோன்னு பாடுவாங்களா? நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க நடுவர்களே.
Everything with child sleep. It's
been a long time since the modern nurses have updated. In this digital age, being a grandparent, it's not just about telling stories. It's about sending emojis, sharing memes, and being their favorite buddy. Today's grandparenting is where wisdom is Wi-Fi allows expressing pizza.
Modern grandparents are such wrecking just for gaming chairs.
We also have to move the passage of time.
Exactly.
Even if you tell them, they won't understand. I can make them understand. It wouldn't be good if I speak more. Thank you.
He said a canon without any flaw. Traditional grandmas used their stories by showing the moon. But our contemporary grandmas, நிலவை பிடிச்சு தரவா அப்படின்னு நிலாவே பக்கத்துல குறைச்சு சொல்றாங்க. Next, let's call upon Akshara from our team. My lords, let's continue.
It doesn't mean we don't know how to share emojis and memes, but we don't want to use it. We could, but we don't. முயற்சி திருவினையாக்கும். எங்களால முடியாததான் நடுவர் அவர்களே.
ஆமாமா, முயன்றால் முடியாதது எதுவும் இல்ல.
Sir,
especially
we have to go with the passage of time.
Exactly.
But we have to see what is right and what is wrong. Learning is not filling of a path, but lighting of a fire.
கற்க கசடர கற்பவை கற்றபின் நிற்க அதற்கு தாக. That's what you say.
Yes, Judas shall the same bond we shall the grandchildren. Do they? No, they don't. We share emotional, physical, and spiritual connection with them. All they share is the technology came together. They can never be us. We can never be them. We share love. They share screen time. That's all. Thank you.
It seems like it's getting heated up. animals amalgamate the love and affection with food. அதனால பிள்ளைங்க சித்தி, சித்தப்பா, பெரியம்மா, பெரியப்பா, அத்தை, மாமா இப்படி எல்லா உறவுகளையும் தெரிஞ்செழுந்தாங்க. But now they see the blood relation has not person. Here the love and affection vanish in the thin air. And you not consummate grannies don't have time to cheat. Instead, they are busy in updating their status in social media. Okay. Would you like to speak against her now? Krish, please.
Sir?
Yes, proceed.
I want to say something.
You can say.
ஐந்தில் வளருது, ஐம்பதில் வளராது.
ஆமா ஆமா.
எங்களை எல்லாம் பாருங்க ஐயா. பிள்ளைங்கானாலும் சரி, எங்களை எடுத்துக்கிட்டாலும் சரி, அவர்கள் வளர்ச்சி நாங்களும் வளருவோம்.
10 வளர்ச்சி வடிச்சாதீங்க.
When grandchildren make mistakes, some grandparents cut them instantly. It's fascinating to run the records. However, their approach might limit the grandchildren's understanding of consequences for minor action. They hinder their ability to navigate more significant challenges in life. But in contrast, we provide a measure and the freedom, allowing them to make mistakes, learn from experiences, explore and grow.
Yes, that's an accepted point.
What kind of love are they sharing? They'll develop all of us along with love. We don't go out, and we want the grandchildren to go out because we don't want this fuss. No matter what anyone says, we're the rising models and we are the top. That's all. Thank you.
Mind blown. These are good and valid points. Next, I like to call upon Ahana from our team.
Sir,
Yes, proceed.
Kanjapalagappa said, learn from experience. The one allow the children go out, then how they will get such a different behavior. I didn't get. Like, sir,
Yes, proceed.
who is your neighbor?
எங்க சித்தப்பா,
Who is their neighbor?
எங்க பெரியப்பா,
Then tell me what will happen when we are in touch with the people who have a lesson. Nothing will happen.
see, the problem is here only. One day, my cousin came to my home and broken my cousin mobile phone. இங்க எங்கயா அன்பு வளருது, வம்பு தானே வளருது.
அத போமியா சுத்திட்டேன் பண்ணதாயா குழந்தைங்க. ஆயிரம் ஜன்னல் வீடு, இது அன்பு வாழும் கூடு. கலஞ்சிந்தா தானே அது வீடு. அதுக்கு வச்சா அது மியூசியம்.
Okay, now what are you trying to say?
Sir,
Yes, proceed.
we've a very specific part in the family. We are expected to babysit, make cakes, and children. We are not supposed to career, a personal business, a personal family. Let me conclude by saying that all these girls. Thank you.
Party kaipokana sumawa. The fish curry prepared by my granny smells cookie dresses were black outside and white inside. But now it is white outside and black inside. கேட்டா நடிச்சிக்கல நடிச்சே. சரி, இப்போ ஆனி என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னு பாப்போம்.
Sir,
Yes, proceed.
we try to live our life peacefully and normally, and not trying for the society to prove ourselves. The way the children are going to changing. Even they are babies, their stage is just the number.
Wow, superb.
Sir,
Yes, proceed.
அவங்கள ஹார்ட் வேர்ட் ஆகணும்னா வேற அபத்தாயிடுச்சு. தன் காய்க்குள்ளால தன் மேம்படம் கேட்டா கேஸ் கல்யாடம் கரண்ட் பில் ஏதோ சொல்வாங்க.
Okay, then how about you?
If you switch on a given hot water, they do hard work. But we are smart and do smart work. Even chums get off and attacks the senior smart work. What chili matches they hard work or smart work? Think yourself. Thank you.
Only unit MS are free? How come? He is also one of the modern grandpas. இரண்டு அணியும் பேசி முடிச்சாச்சு. நேரமும் 4 அரையாச்சு. உங்களுக்கும் பேரந்துக்கும் நேரமாச்சு. நானும் திருப்பு சொல்ல நேரம் வந்தாச்சு. No treatment and doctor G as equal to remedy. Give me your test now, grandma. For example, Corona or Omicron wouldn't come near chest if we drink a cup of syrup that's made of bitter leaf, mint, and choosing. அப்படி எந்த பக்கம் பார்த்தா நம்ம மதம் பியூட்டி. மேக்கப் பட்டு வெளியே போனா அம்மா யாரு பாட்டியானே தெரியாது. அதுக்காக நம்ம ட்ரெடிஷனல் கிராண்ட்மாஸோட மேக்கப்னு குறை சொல்லல. அவங்க கொசுவன் கட்டி காதுக்கு பாம்படமும் காலுக்கு தண்டையும் போட்டு நடந்து வந்தாலே சும்மா குஷ் மாதிரி கலக்கல இருக்கும். House of grandparents. It's like a library with 1,000 books. Let's buy. Not only the heritage the grandfather, but also the experiences. The gray hair on the head says the story of 4 generations. There are no better teachers than grandfathers. And there are no better doctors than grandmothers. Grandma, as a parent, as a teacher, a little bit best friend, and a little bit partner in crime. A child needs beauty and health to find the right team, whether it is traditional or contemporary. Grandma is always grandma. So, both hard-working traditional grandma and smart-working contemporary grandma are important for us. We cannot suggest who is better among them. So, my judgment is that both are excellent, useful, and important for this society. Thank you.